Two Colleton County families are now mourning the loss of a child and dealing with the injuries of 4 others after investigators say an 18-year-old man was involved in a wreck while driving drunk behind the wheel. That man, identified by the Highway Patrol as Hunter Williams, has now been charged with felony DUI involving death and felony DUI causing great bodily harm. He was denied bond at the Colleton County Magistrate's Office today in Walterboro. Anna Harris had a chance to talk with the families of the victims and their attorneys about what happens next in this case.
A day out at a goat show led to tragedy for 2 Colleton County families. 2 cars collided and overturned at a Jeffries Highway intersection just over a week ago, taking the life of 9-year-old Emma Lake, causing life-threatening injuries to 10-year-old Lacey Wiggins, and injuring 3 other kids. Investigators say the driver that hit them was 18-year-old Hunter Williams, who turned himself in to the Colleton County Detention Center today under charges of a felony DUI involving death and felony DUI causing great bodily harm.
What we hope to do is find all the places he got this alcohol and all the people that enabled him and hold those people accountable. I mean, what he did is wrong. There's no question about that. But they know when you give alcohol to an 18-year-old boy, this is what happens. And it's those people that we're coming for.
Williams' defense attorney, Scott Bischoff, explains that Williams is at great risk of harming himself or others and is still needing medical treatment from surgery after the crash.
Best place for him today, if he is a mental health concern, is at home under house arrest where he can be monitored, not in a detention center.
Regardless of these concerns, the judge denied bond. Both the Lake and Wiggins families are relieved but are still grieving.
My family does not get to watch Emma reach all of her accomplishments. My son doesn't get to go out with his cousin. My baby girl will only remember my niece for memories that we have with her.
Well, I hope he honestly goes to jail for a very, very long time. I think that's what he deserves, because it's not only him affected or being punished for this, Lacey is for the rest of her life too. She's got to live with this for the rest of her life.
The Wiggins family says Lacey is still suffering from a broken pelvis, a serious concussion, and more.
She will physically heal, but she lost her best friend.
As for what's next, the judge has asked the circuit court judge to set the bond. Between now and then, Williams will be at the Charleston County Detention Center and seeking medical treatment there. He is facing up to 40 years behind bars.
We're going to hold everybody that contributed to this, that enabled this, accountable in an effort to try to get their attention and prevent this tragedy from happening to another family.
I live for the day that justice is served for my sweet niece. May God bless you all. Forever, Emma and Lacey strong.
In Colleton County, Anna Harris, Live 5 News.